Alright, let's see how long it takes you to dump this bottle. Take 2, see if we can make a vortex. Give it a try. Vortex. You got it? Alright, settle up. Nope.
Got it.
You sure?
I think I got it at the end.
It's going.
It's going.
Is it, got the red button?
It's going.
Yeah, it's going. Okay, you ready?
Okay,
Can you see the bottle?
There.
You see it? Alright, here we go. Vortex. There it goes. You see it?
Yeah.
Alright, hit the stop.
How?